In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve OBS Studio Video Capture Device Not Showing Video Capture 2026 Guide. If your camera shows a black screen or doesn't appear in OBS Studio, we'll work through reliable fixes in a clear order. First, make sure no other app is holding your camera. Close any video apps like conferencing tools, browser tabs with meeting sites, camera companion apps, and even background services. On Windows, check the System Tray and Task Manager. On Mac OS, look at Activity Monitor. Freeing the camera from other apps prevents conflicts before you adjust anything in OBS. Next, launch OBS with elevated permissions. Right-click OBS Studio and choose Run as Administrator. This helps when a driver or device needs exclusive access that standard permissions can't provide. After it opens, go straight to your scene's video capture device source. Open your video capture device properties by double-clicking it in the Sources panel. Use the device drop-down to reselect your camera, briefly switch to another option if available, then switch back. This forces a fresh handshake with the driver and often snaps the feed back to life. If you see multiple entries with similar names, test each one to confirm the correct device. If the preview is still black, adjust the settings in that same Properties window. Set the resolution to device default, or manually choose a lower resolution like 1280 x 720 to reduce bandwidth demands, then set FPS to highest FPS. These changes resolve many mismatch issues between the camera's output and what OBS expects. Confirm your operating system is allowing OBS to use the camera. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Camera, and enable access for desktop apps, making sure OBS is listed and allowed. On macOS, open System Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and grant OBS permission. Physically check the connection. Unplug and replug the webcam or capture card. Use a USB 3.0 port, typically blue, and avoid low-power hubs or very long cables. If you're using a capture card, verify the cable is good and that the source isn't outputting a protected HDCP signal. Update your graphics drivers. In Windows Device Manager, you can check for updates, but the most reliable method is downloading the latest drivers from your GPU's manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, matching your exact model and OS. If nothing else works, reinstall the latest OBS Studio from the official website. Before uninstalling, export your scene collections and profiles so you can restore your setup afterward. A clean current build often resolves stubborn driver and compatibility problems. Follow these steps in order and your video capture should appear in OBS again. Thanks for watching.